So final day before exam, I have been in your shoes and I was equally perplexed and I was in anxiety. If it is happening to you, so you are normal because it is a big exam and big things are on stake. So on this last day, we often commit some mistakes also. For example, that we start doubting ourselves so much that it becomes improbable that we are going to clear this exam. Please don't fall in this particular pitfall. You need to remember that doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. I'm speaking from my own experience that when at the very first time when I saw the paper when I was giving prelims exam, I felt that paper is always very difficult and I will not be able to solve beyond 50 questions. But then with the leap of faith and also with a prayer to God, when I started doing my paper, I felt that I was solving one by one many questions and very often I crossed 70 questions correct. I'm not giving this example of mine to boost your confidence, but just to remind you about the process that you know more than what you think you do. And that's the reality. It's only you must have the courage to embark on that particular solving path. I will not take much of your time, but just from my side, there is a wish for you that you do very good in this exam and you clear this exam with flying colors. All the best to all of you. Thank you.